Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kemisha aka Island Mommy, and this channel is a mommy lifestyle type of video, type of channel. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, then this channel is definitely for you. What I'm going to be doing for today's video is a toddler. What I'm going to be doing for today is a what my toddler eats in a day vlog. So let's just get started. Okay guys, so for breakfast he's just having one hard-boiled egg with a pinch of salt, some grapes, a slice of pineapple and a slice of melon, and I'm just giving him that with some water because he's healthy. But yeah, this is breakfast. And you guys already know that I always allow him to watch something while he's eating, you know. I just like doing it. And he's a messy eater. See, mess up the place. Why? Okay, so now he's having a juice and more water. So yeah. Okay guys, so for lunch he's having, this is half of an apple, pineapples, grapes, and some cheese sticks. This is just this, and I just put some in it. And I'm also going to be giving him some juice. So and what I mix is just this. It's a fresh start. I prefer this as opposed to like the tang. Yeah, sure baby. So that's his lunch, and yes? You want me to carry it for you? You want to carry it yourself? I'm all the juice for you? You don't want all the juice for you?
But I don't like yucky food, but I still like it.
Okay, so one thing with Amari, once there are fruits and vegetables in the house like carrots and stuff, he does not want to eat the snacks like the cheese sticks that I just showed you. He doesn't want to eat those because it's yucky food. So once there's fruits and stuff, he would prefer to eat those as opposed to just having a snack, like one of those snacks. So yeah, but if we don't have any fruits or whatever, then he'll eat it, some of them. So yeah, because he's into healthy food, as I said before. So yeah, because today is so hot, we're just having an icicle. This is a cherry. I'm going to give it to you.
I will show you how.
Okay.
I will show you right here, like this.
Pull it from this